Hey friends, so this week we're talking about keeping our bodies healthy, eating healthy foods, exercising, being safe. So today I want to read to you this little book called Healthy Habits Every Day. So a habit is something that you do a lot, something you do over and over again, probably every day. So it's good to have healthy habits so that you can be strong and healthy and safe. So let me read to you Healthy Habits Every Day. Things you can do every day to be healthy, safe, and strong. Here we go. I like to brush my hair each day. I need to play with others every day. So it is good to brush your hair because otherwise you might get a knot in your hair if you have long hair like me or longer hair. And it is good to play with others. Not right now because things are a little different right now, but usually it's good to play with others. The good news is right now we've been seeing each other on Zoom a lot, so we do get to see friends, at least on the computer. Colored foods and variety make me grin. That means eating all different colored foods, all different healthy foods make you smile because you're feeling healthy, you're feeling good. For every ride, I get buckled in. Definitely safe to wear a seatbelt and sit in a car seat in your car. You want to be safe in your car. I love reading every day. Definitely important to read books every day or watch my videos and I'll read you books every day. You can go on Epic to read books every day. You can read with your family every day. Reading makes you smarter. It really makes your brain nice and strong. I love us reading every day. Your healthy snacks just make my day. We talked about that in yesterday's book about eating healthy foods to be strong and healthy. A good warm bath is my daily scene. Then I love fresh clothes so neat and clean. It is important to take a bath often. Maybe not every single day, but at least every other day you should take a bath. At your age, at least. At my age, I have to take a bath every day. So it's good to be clean and wash your body, use soap, wash your hair, and then to put on some clean clothes after. That makes you feel really nice and clean. I cover coughs and catch my sneeze, often right into my sleeve. Super important. If you have to cough or if you have to sneeze, make sure you cover it up with your elbow. Okay, it's not good to sneeze like achoo right out into the air without covering your mouth. Then your germs are just flying right out of your mouth into the air. You know you can't always see your germs, but they are there. So never just sneeze right out into the open like that. Always cover up your cough and cover up your sneeze. That way you keep your germs to yourself. Give me lots of time to run and play, at least an hour every day. So it's important to play and get exercise. And yes, you can sit and play with toys at home, but it's important to do play that's getting your body moving, like running at the park or running outside, playing tag, dancing, doing gymnastics, doing a sport. That's all good exercise play. Really important to get your heart pumping. We eat together where I belong. Not using sunblock would be wrong. So in the summer when the sun is hot, be sure to wear sunblock or sunscreen so you don't get a sunburn. I brush my teeth 2 times a day, plus after sweets. Don't forget, I also need a lot of sleep. So it's definitely important for you to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day when you wake up in the morning and when you go to bed at night. You need to brush away all the food from your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, all the food and germs that might be in your mouth. You really need to brush your teeth nice and clean. If you don't, excuse me, friends, if you don't, you could get a cavity, which is like a little hole in your tooth. You don't want that to happen, okay? So make sure you brush your teeth in the morning or at night, or if you eat like some candy or a donut or something like that, make sure you brush your teeth after that too. And super important, get a lot of sleep. Your body needs rest too to be healthy and strong and safe. So definitely make sure you get a good night's sleep. Go to bed when your mom or dad or family tells you to go to bed. The end. So friends, I hope you learned a lot about how to keep your body healthy and different healthy habits you can have for your body and for your whole life so that you can stay healthy, strong, clean, safe, happy, all of those things. Okay, friends, I'll see you soon, okay? Bye.